Hi! In front of me is Lenovo 10E Chromebook, and today I would like to show you how you can turn on or off app notifications. First of all, go into Devices Settings and click on Apps section right away. Now you need to click on Notifications and click on the purple switcher next to one of your apps from which you want to block them. In my case, Calendar. As you can see, all notifications from Calendar are now blocked. If you wish to switch them back on, tap on the same, now dark switcher. You can also tap on Apps, and instead of selecting Notifications, click on Manage Your Apps. Then select one of them and click on this switcher next to Notifications to manage them. It's not possible in all of your apps. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!